Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable delivery optimization in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in regedit. Best result should go back to Registry Editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive the user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, all you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, I'd recommend naming it the dates in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import and navigate to the file location on your computer. So again, pretty straightforward. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder. Now you want to go down to current control set and double click on that. You want to locate the services folder, double click on that one as well. And now there should be a folder that says DOSVC. So go ahead and scroll down for that. And if you need to pause the video at this time, you can take note of our file path up at the top of the screen. Each backslash is a different subfolder we've gone under to get to this point. So now on the right side, you should see a DWORD value that says start. Go ahead and double click on that and set the value data to 4. So delete whatever number's in there. Type in a numerical value of 4 and then select OK. And once you're done with that, you can go ahead and minimize or close out of the Registry Editor. Save and close out of any open programs and applications you may have on your computer as well. And you want to restart your computer. And then once you're done with that, hopefully I was able to resolve the problem. One further thing you can check here would be to open up the Start menu. Type in Services. Best match should come back with Services. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the Delivery Optimization service. Double click on it. You want to make sure, again, startup type should say disabled at this point and service status is stopped. Otherwise, you can set it to disabled, and then you would select apply and OK. So you can see we already made the modification in the registry, so it's not letting us change it here, but you can see it is in fact disabled, and you just would undo what we did in the registry editor or restore it back in order to undo that. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.